explore, secure intel, and loot to gain access to new missions. Enemy threat is high, so expect contact.
Ammo here.
Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I heard that.
Oh shit, can't see anything. Gas, damn it.
Moving here.
One jumped in the water. They might try to flank more to our right. Watch the banks.
See my dot?
Oh,
See my red dot?
yeah. Took the vehicle.
We got vehicle right here next to the bot. Let me clear the bot first. We got vehicle in front, the truck.
Moving
Saw
here.
one guy back
Ultra
there.
One, actual. Advise you equip your gas mask in this area. Take your time on
Might have been a
targeting it.
bot. I'm not sure.
Ultra One, the chemist is approaching your area. Stay alert.
Right below me still. Guy over there.
Come on, man.
Popping advanced.
I'm in.
I think they all went to
Regular
the
3B.
the armory, right? I don't have it
No, they all
advanced.
went right.
Yeah,
Down low.
yeah. Go to the armory.
We went to the armory to this way, right?
Yeah.
They
Yeah,
went-
I saw the
they were
vehicle
down
went
on
this
the
way.
beach.
Are
Two
you
guys
sure?
on the beach.
Your
Shot one
volume's
of them.
really low, D.
They were both on the beach.
That's Claire.
Ultra One, be advised. Threat level is high in this AO. Expect contact. I need a weapon.
Come on, guys.
Still in my car.
Still in my
Son
car.
of a
He
bitch.
said, "Come on."
Get in, get
Let
in.
me go top right there.
Oh. Derek.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know which way you were going with it.
Trying to sniping behind us. Here going up the hill.
All right, I'm popping my advance.
He's right here. He's right here. Right here. Don't.
There's two guys at the beach, like I thought
Yeah.
before.
Want to turn around?
Yeah, turn around.
He's right in front of me.
Yes.
It's got two guys in there in that Jeep. Come on, Chief.
Okay. He's on me. I got a truck on him. Oh shit.
Ultra One, your squad is scattered. Sticking together will help you survive.
Lead him towards me, I'll snipe him.
In front of you, in front of
Oh, they ran over.
Right.
Good shit. Ah.
Another guy right there.
Put down your kill streak.
I know. Hold on. I ran them all over.
All right, run in.
Keep going, they're further, they're further. Oh. Did not see that.
Target marked. Request fire mission.
Visual on the target direction. All ultra be advised, killing operators.
See ya.
will mark you as a bounty target.
T, D needs help.
Direct hit.
I think I cleared the last guy.
No, there was 3.
Somebody
I
shoot
ran
me,
them
D.
over, all two of them.
No, there was other. They rezzed each other because I just
Okay,
got
okay,
sniped
okay.
at.
Right here, no, go loot up. Right here, 3-piece. Right here,
My
too. One
stuff.
guy right here.
Operators in your area are requesting teammates.
You got my
Trying to
stuff?
sneaky,
Yeah,
sneaky.
he
Yeah,
does.
he did. Oh man, he got loot him. He got tons of plate.
Medical.
Can you pick me up, bro? You have the spot?
I have a spot, but nope.
Yeah, this guy took my shit.
Yeah, take all your shit
Bastard.
back.
Oh, I'm
Yeah,
being
you-
sniped
yeah.
at, boys.
Come on, hey, take half the money, man.
Guns here.
Can you
I have
pick
plates
me
for
up,
days
bro?
right here.
Coming, D.
Somebody's trying to snipe me? Oh, okay, we can go. Hiding over there, I'll find you in a second and you'll die.
I need ammo if you guys have.
Yeah.
I've got ammo,
What kind of
I've got
ammo right
armor.
here?
Come
Yeah,
to
yeah,
me.
yeah.
AR.
And
There
AR
is a
right
guy
there.
trying to snipe me around here, guys.
You good?
Coming to you.
Need more, D?
Yeah,
No?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay, one more.
Oh,
One
good,
more
good.
still around us here.
High in the
We'll loot
AO.
this guy real quick. He got nothing.
I already looted the guy next to us.
Got
Gotcha.
I got all his stuff right here. There is a guy shooting over there. Careful. Here, come here. T, you need plates?
No, D. Not
I do.
right. I got 9 on me.
Dropping ammo here.
Oh, he's right here. He's right
Sorry,
here.
buddy. We
Moving
won't pick
in
up
your direction.
stranger.
Stranger danger.
My mom say that. Don't pick up stranger in DFG. Alright. GG, guys.
There's one more.
There's one more, huh? There's one more. Check the body. They probably go back over there and then revive the other guy by open.
I'm
this
looking.
window.
I don't see anything.
Let's go back to the indoor real quick. Go back to Albaya and then
Here,
Yeah,
shoot some bots
I need
real
to
quick.
get my
Let's
stuff.
get a.
get something.
We need to
over
shoot some bots.
there. You need a gun?
No, we need to shoot bots so we get a truck.
I need
Oh,
more, buy more
I
plates.
see what you're saying.
Everybody's stealth, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep. There you go. Plates for days. Why would
Anybody
you
need
do
an
that?
encrypted USB stick?
No.
No.
I'm gonna just
Drop
sell
the
it.
revive pistol. Equip.
Plates that you need.
Huh?
You need to get a SMG.
Oh, you haven't got JPG yet?
Body just
No.
plate. The guy just
Left? No more.
the request just went away.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, it came back. That you firing?
Yeah, I'm
see.
just looking for a Vasma. And there it is.
Man, we have no vehicles.
Vehicle coming in, I think it's bots.
Yeah, it is. Always is.
Yep, that's
Oh, that's our
alright.
mover.
Let's drive by their bodies.
Contact.
Here, T, take some of this.
This will fix you.
what? Hey, D, no. Take money, man. I got more money than you
I-
right now. No,
I
need
got.
to do that.
I'm over. I'm capped out again.
I know
Cash
Noah
here.
only
Okay.
have 80 grand. I got like 300 something. So Noah take some.
Take them both.
Thanks.
Oh, wow, they still plead for help.
Yeah, I see something going on over there at the quarry.
Where's
Maybe
this
over
guy's
there.
body?
Over here, plead for help right here
Oh.
still.
Found some loot here.
Yeah, every other body's gone, bro. No, not even a
Yeah, your
backpack.
spotter scope? T?
Yeah, I do. I have my power scope. Yep. Hold on. Slow down. I think there's I see something up there. Look. Oh man.
Yeah,
Yep.
by green, right?
Oh
green
no, that's
thing?
no, that's bot. That's bot.
Ultra One, enemy threat appears.
There was something going on over there earlier. I saw shots being fired.
Yeah, but bot is hunting somebody. Bot is on acro mode.
I'll get it.
I'm gonna go up top real quick. Yep, somebody fighting.
Yeah,
over
I
here.
hear it.
Actual to Ultra
Yeah,
One,
right here.
UAV is in
Oh,
orbit over your
rockets.
location.
Sound
There
like
we
a
are.
Joker.
Somebody just
Yep,
went
that's
this
a
way.
Joker.
Moving here. Taking effective fire.
Ultra One, you've got hostile reinforcements incoming. Ultra One, activity is increasing near your location. Stay alert.
Alright, calm, calm. Enemy calm. Rocket Man. Got them both.
Oh, Noah's running. All right.
Moving here.
Yeah, he just called the exfil.
Mommy home, Nathan?
I can see you. Three bots in front of you, Nor.
It's only one? He's solo? Oh, he disconnected right away?
Damn, man.
I hate it when
I
people
would've
didn't say
done
nothing.
Ultra One, UAV is bingo, fuel, and RTB.
Are we
Alright,
get out of
yeah,
here
get
or
in, then
no?
we can jump out. Get
Okay.
in, then we'll jump out higher.
Lee?
And go back.
Yeah, I'm grabbing the vehicle.
Okay, we'll meet you at the armory, I guess. Damn. Kinda felt bad.
It's all good, man. It happened. Sometimes we all three of us chase on the freaking solo. Shit happened.
Alright, you jump in.
He may have been the one sniping at me too, so I don't feel so bad.
Oh, okay. If somebody snipe him up there, that must be him. There's nobody around. Oh, I'm going to the old armory. Shit, look like you guys went to the other armory.
No, we're right
no.
below you.
Oh, okay. I thought you said you were gonna pass through here.
Threat level is high in this AO.
I was, but I saw D over here, so.
Whoa, that was neat. Where you going, T?
Like some free ammo. Refill. Okay. It's full. Alright. I'm up.
We got it. Someone's down by our house,
Let's go.
which is unacceptable.
Unacceptable.
Oh yeah, UAV.
Unacceptable.
They're not right here.
Ultra One,
And
enemy
snipe.
threat
We're just
is
gonna look
operating
from right here.
location.
Let's run these
Yeah,
guys
yeah.
over real quick.
Oh, I think they have Joker.
Joker.
Yeah, I heard it.
I hear firing to the left.
To the right, actually. But
Oh,
you
right
know,
there. There he is.
He going down.
Going downstairs.
Yeah.
Oh, and one in our armory right there.
Ultra One, you've got hostile reinforcements incoming.
What do you guys
Ultra
wanna
One,
do?
we're seeing increased
Look right there.
activity in the area. Stay sharp.
We can't parachute now, huh?
We could parachute to the top of the
That one?
soccer stadium
Or soccer
and then
stadium?
go get this guy here.
Moving here.
I don't know. Let's see if I can make it. Yeah, I'll make it.
No?
He's already moved.
Oh, damn.
Ultra One, actual. UAV is returning to base.
Damn it, I downed one right there. I can't finish him.
Vehicle?
Player in the Jeep.
T, ready to push with me?
Moving here.
Try to shoot to my sniper. Hold on, let me.
Right there.
Oh, right there. Oh, he wants to die. Get him now, get him now. Go, go, go.
Ultra One, killing
There's two of them
operators will
there.
put a contract on your head. Engage at your discretion.
Oh, this sneaky motherfucker.
Got him off?
Yes, right there. They just pinged it. They just fired at you, I think.
But
Did they? I thought that was bot.
I thought I saw a sniper shot.
Oh,
right
yeah, oh,
there,
yeah,
right
oh,
there,
yeah.
Armory.
Don't worry, man. We come for you. It's your turn now. We try to make it quick.
Moving here.
Coming to you. He went back this way, this way.
Joe is down. Zico is down.
Oh,
Just
one
smack
more.
him. Ooh.
Got movement.
See ya.
Oh, squat.
Bots are all mad at us.
Actually, self-revives up here if you guys need.
Wow, GPU. It has everything.
I got an extra.
Plates.
3-piece.
Boss, that's bot coming for us, guys.
Hey, you can knife him and it kills him one shot.
Knife killed in one shot? I thought knife only downed him.
No, these ones it kills one shot.
Oh, I mean the bot.
If you're up
gotcha.
close.
Oh, it's only if you're up close.
Allegedly. Okay, well, I got a GPU here. I can sell this. Nor needs more money. He only has 90 grand. I think he has more in his wallet right now than he does in his contraband here.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna have to
I'm grabbing this UAV.
eating lunch and play at the same time here.
Okay.
Give me a second. Oh, man.
You guys loot everybody already?
Ultra One, this is actual.
I looted their money.
Established orbit.
Oh yeah, I let Nor loot them all because Nor need the money right now.
Yeah, he needs the money.
What time is it? Let me set up my alarm so.
Ultra One, you've got hostile reinforcements incoming.
This guy has everything in here.
No, I'm gonna eat
Ultra
and
One,
play at
you've
the same
secured
time.
Tag. That enemy squad will be tracking you.
Do it
now.
to it.
Stay sharp.
Alright, here you go, Nor. Here's some money. $20K more. Get that contract while you're at it.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
Ultra One, actual. High winds are increasing in the AO. Move to an extract point before radiation spreads.
Money right in the open here, Nor.
Ultra One, intel has located supply boxes we need you to secure.
Coming.
Objectives are marked on your TAC map.
You got that one right there, T? That.
I'll grab it.
Yeah, I'll get it. Oh, I'll get it.
Ultra One, you've secured a supply box. Move to the next DZ when able.
Bots. Oh, I guessed wrong.
Ultra One, you've secured all supply boxes. Nice work. Ultra One, be advised, UAV is RTB at this time. Ultra One, make it to exfil again and we'll make it worth your
I say we
while.
exfil.
Good hunting.
Yeah, we just turned gold, boys.
What? We go now? What?
Might as well. We're good here, and we have Nor has $100,000, and soon we'll have.
Right.
even
Let's
more.
do it.
He said gold.
Ultra One, enemy
Say
threat
gold.
spotted in the AO.
Gold is best.
Best.
Oh, I like this exfil too.
Ultra One, you've got hostile reinforcements incoming.
Oh, that's somebody's vehicle.
Watch in front of us. Going at full throttle.
Ultra One, extraction is inbound at this time. All Ultra, Dino 4 is inbound for extraction. Be with you soon.
I'm clear, pings.
Run! Commander's coming.
Ultra One, Dino 4. We're standing. This is Dino 4. All Ultra secure.
Throw a knife at him. Oh, it bounces off the blades. Damn, we are jamming today.
You better take that back.
Oh.
Don't drink it.
Oh, I forgot to give Nor the cash.
Bring in the next round. I got only
Okay.
4.
Cold-blooded. Kills?
No, kill streak. You guys got them go
I
already?
got 4 too. No, we're 4.
I got
I got 3
kills.
operator kills.
I got 2. That's 8.